Hello everyone, welcome to Auto Live. I am with Mr. Nishant Arya, Vice Chairman and MD at JBM. तो सर पहली चीज़ वेलकम टू ऑटो लाइव एंड वेलकम टू ऑटो एक्सपो। प्रोडक्ट लाइनअप मैंने आपका देखा है काफ़ी अच्छा है, तो आप मुझे थोड़ा ब्रीफ करना चाहेंगे कि आपने आज यहाँ पे क्या क्या डिस्प्ले कर रखा है।
So here in this Auto Expo, we have launched 4 products.
ओके
So first we have launched JBM Galaxy, which is India's first indigenously developed, designed and engineered electric coach,
Okay.
100% zero emission, which is running 1,000 kilometers. And it's one of its kind product because also we have launched along with it the Ultra DC fast charging with up to 500 kilowatt. The complete vehicle gets charged in about 45 minutes to an hour. Which is a time all of us need for charging a cell phone. And at the same time, we have ensured highest level of customer luxury. Earlier, JVM brand was always addressed with comfort, safety, and affordability. And now luxury has been redefined with JVM Galaxy, where we are giving extra legroom, we are giving USB, personal air conditioning, fire retardant systems. Everything is having a 100% level of safety with HV safety. The vehicle is having an extraordinary performance, very good luggage space, and I think that is the experience the end customer will carry, which we want to give to the Aam Aadmi. That how it is affordable, how it is usable, and how are they getting best in class service, and the operational cost is 70% lower than a diesel bus, which is a game changer in its own way. Secondly, we have launched our Eco Life 12 meter, which is a brand new product. Then we have brought in specific staff buses, and in staff buses we have brought in tracking. So all employees, corporate employees, which are traveling day and night, are having that level of safety. The families can track where the people are and how are they moving. Simultaneously, keeping the parents in mind, we have launched the most safe bus, school bus,
Which
for
is standing
kids,
here.
which is right here as you see. And in this school bus, we have given a very high capacity of students and highest level of safety with cameras which can cover the whole vehicle, and anything and everything happening at each and every point in time can be captured very well. And we clearly see here that the product is made as per the customer needs. JVM doesn't sell a standard product. 50 to 70% of the vehicle is customized as per the end use and keeping the consumer in mind, where comfort, safety, affordability and luxury is something very important to us, and cutting edge technology is what we are using, and best in class high energy density batteries is what JVM is producing, and we are one of the only companies in the country where we have the JVM Everse, which is the JVM Electric Universe, having and encapsulating the electric mobility ecosystem. So vehicle technology, battery technology, charging technology, power electronics, embedded systems, everything is given as a one-stop shop, and 24/7 service and round-the-clock support, zero downtime for the customer is something which has given us more than 50% market share in the non-STU segment and more than 1/3 market share in the STU segment. And you would see us being present across all the key cities, whether in Gujarat, in Maharashtra, in Karnataka, in Haryana, in Delhi, in Jhansi, in multiple airports and many private customers across the country.
दैट्स रियली नाइस टू हियर। आपका जो सेगमेंट है यहाँ पे कंपटीशन भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आपके प्रोडक्ट्स की क्या यूएसपी है जो दूसरे प्रोडक्ट से इन्हें अलग बनाती है।
हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स की यूएसपी है टेक्नोलॉजी ड्राइविंग वैल्यू, जहाँ पे हम देखते हैं, जैसे मैंने बताया दैट हमारा कोई भी नया प्रोडक्ट हम 12 to 15 मंथ्स में लॉन्च करते हैं, तो टाइम टू मार्केट कंसिडरिंग योर नीड एज अ एंड कंज्यूमर इज़ वेरी फास्ट. Secondly, the full integration of vehicle technology, battery, charging, power electronics embedded in-house is a game changer, because the customer does not have to see that I am getting an electric bus. He gets the EV ecosystem where charging is not a problem, battery is not a problem, the operating cycle is not a problem, service is not a problem, round the clock support is not a problem, spare parts are not a problem, and we have gone ahead with the highest level of localization in India. So the cost and the TCO is a game changer. So our total cost of ownership is best in class. So customer does not need to buy any extra buses with JVM buses.
सो लेट्स मूव टू माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। अभी आपने अपना नया प्रोडक्ट रिवील किया है विच इज़ अ 100% इलेक्ट्रिक लग्जरी बस, यू कैन टेक इट फॉर इंटरस्टेट ट्रैवल एंड ऑल, तो उसके बारे में आप मुझे थोड़ा बताना चाहें तो।
नहीं, तो उसके बारे में मैं ये कहूँगा कि हमने लग्जरी को रीडिफाइन किया है इस प्रोडक्ट के साथ, और टेक्नोलॉजी को भी रीडिफाइन किया है. हाईएस्ट लेवल ऑफ सेफ्टी नॉर्म्स को अचीव किया है, फायर रिटार्डेंट व्हीकल है, इसके अंदर टेलीमैटिक्स और रिमोट डायग्नोस्टिक्स, मोर देन 95% ऑफ द इश्यूज कैन बी एड्रेस्ड रिमोटली. Each and every data point we generate more than 1.2 million data points every day in every bus, which get analyzed when the bus is moving. Every passenger has that level of comfort. So 21 degrees of reclining in a seat is available to all passengers, which gives a very high lumbar support and comfort to each and every passenger with the highest level of leg room and luggage compartment space. And the driver has almost zero fatigue, the passenger has almost zero fatigue after a long distance travel as well. Very large space in the luggage compartment of the vehicle, not only inside the vehicle. And the vehicle is moving 1,000 kilometers a day, which is a game changer of sorts again, because of the ultra fast charging also.
दिस प्रोडक्ट सीम्स टू बी वेरी डिज़ायरेबल, बट हमेशा से ना EVs को लेके मेरे दिमाग में बहुत कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रहता है. EVs दो पर्पस को बीट करने के लिए बनी है. एक तो कि आपका एमिशन कम होगा, दूसरी चीज़ जो फॉसिल फ्यूल्स डिप्लीट हो रहे हैं वो कम होंगे. बट द थिंग इज़ कि पेट्रोल के साथ कोल भी एक फॉसिल फ्यूल है और 70% इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कोल से ही बनाई जाती है. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या मूव ले रहे हैं कि आप उस फॉसिल फ्यूल को भी डिप्लीट होने से बचा सकें?
हमने इसलिए ईवी इकोसिस्टम डिप्लॉय किया है जो जनरेशन से कंजम्पशन तक टेक केयर करता है. तो हम सोलर पावर प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, एनर्जी स्टोरेज डालते हैं, ईवी चार्जिंग और फिर इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल अलॉन्ग विद सर्विस एंड ऑपरेशंस. तो इसीलिए इंडिया का foremost plant and facility where it is integrated EV ecosystem is deployed is done by JBM in Leh, which is 3,300 meters above sea level, where we have set up solar power, EV charging, energy storage and electric vehicles.
Oh wow.
So we don't talk, we talk the walk, which we always like to put across.
तो मतलब ये तो इनिशिएटिव काफ़ी अच्छा है कि आपने इसे 100% जीरो एमिशन ही हर तरीके से हो गया है.
बिल्कुल.
तो काफ़ी आपके अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स लगे. इट वाज नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू.
प्लेजर. थैंक यू
निशांत सर, आपसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा, बात करके मज़ा आया. तो दोस्तों ये थे मिस्टर निशांत. इट वॉज अ फन इंटरव्यू. आपको ये इंटरव्यू कैसा लगा आप हमें नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए इस वीडियो लाइक कीजिए, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें हमारे नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले पाने के लिए.